Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shandizzle and today's video will be all about Jamaican Proverbs. So the first part of the video, or this video, will be about, I'm going to ask some Jamaicans whoever I come in contact with to tell me a Jamaican Proverbs and to explain what they think it means. I mean, we're Jamaicans, and I'm sure even if they don't speak a proverbs, I'm sure they've heard someone in their family, a friend, a senior to them, somebody speaking a proverb. So let's put that theory into test, and let's see how and if our Jamaicans still know proverbs and their meaning. And then the next part of the video, or the next video, will be me telling y'all some Jamaican proverbs. I mean, and explaining their meaning. I might ask Birdie and Alicia to come back and join me. Remember we did that Jamaican slang, so I might ask them to come back and join me with the Jamaican proverbs. So let's get into today's video, y'all. So I have Alicia here, the shy one. I'm sure y'all remember her, the one that acts as if she can't speak.
I can't.
You prove she can. Alright, so Alicia, tell me a Jamaican proverbs that you have heard before.
Well, I know them from my family, so
Have you used any?
quite a few.
Alright, give me one or maybe two.
I'm not sure if it's a proverb though, but
There's no right or wrong. Come
I'll
on.
try. So there is one where my mommy always tell me every time I sit down in her seat, she's like, "Me fly, you pitch." That means say as soon as she gets up, I go in her seat, which is really comfortable and warm. I don't wrong my doings of going in her seat.
I hope you watch this. You heard what you heard what your daughter said?
What? It's
Please.
warm. A daughter needs their mother's comfort, right?
Leave a comment below. Let me know that you have watched this and what you think about her pitching as soon as you fly. So yes, that is a Jamaican proverb, which means as soon as someone leaves a place, it doesn't matter if you were sitting or standing, but as soon as you leave, somebody else take it. So as you fly, then pitch. Thank you. Let's see if I can get other persons on. If you have any more, you can share.
Okay, one more. My mother give me an inch and I take a mile. Sometimes it's worth it, but sometimes it's not. Trust me.
Alright, for those of my subscribers who are not Jamaican, explain that for them.
Okay, when they say that when I say that my mother give me an inch and I take a mile, meaning that my mother give me a little bit of leeway and I take advantage of that leeway.
Cool. So I think what I'm saying, me give an inch, and you take a mile.
Yes.
That's it, right? In the Jamaican photo. Creole, me give an inch and you take a mile.
Yes.
So if you know any proverbs, just comment them down below, whether you hear it in the video or not. Just give us some ideas, and if you can explain it, sure. If you cannot, just still leave it in the comments below. I would have so much fun reading them. Cause hey, it's a part of our culture, right? Jamaica. Heard some Jamaican proverbs. Tell me one and what you think it means.
Proverbs.
The old Jamaican proverbs, them. Yeah.
My granny used to say. Enough she used to say to you know.
Yeah, man, give me
She have
some
one.
one.
We used to say the face the lion trouble.
Yeah, brother, I wanna explain.
The one there for some people love carry news. love spread propaganda upon people and them just take piece of a story and calculate and create them own story.
Them not hear the full
see.
story. Them just run with the part where them hear.
Them love chat. So we call them people who love chat.
Alright, that was good. Right? Tell me
Hold on.
Tell me a Jamaican proverbs that you have heard of.
Cat more kill cat.
Hey, cat won't kill cat. What that mean?
It means your mouth will get in a trouble.
Get you in a trouble. Simple as that. Yeah, I didn't think of that one. I didn't think of that one. Thank you.
No,
Birdie! You guys remember Bird from the previous vlogs, right? Now, Bird, we're Jamaicans. Tell me a proverbs that you have heard before. From either your parents, grandparents, or you just heard it generally. And tell me what you think it means.
I didn't have grandparents growing up.
Yeah, but you're Jamaican. Tell me.
Every mickle make a muckle.
Explain.
Every penny counts.
Simple.
Simple.
straight.
So, a lady walks into a store and steals $100 bill from the register without the owner's knowledge. She comes back 5 minutes later and buys $7 worth of goods with the $100 bill. The owner gives her $30 and change. How much did the owner lose? A, $30. B, $130. C, $70. D, $170.
Operator, good morning.
E, $100. And F,
Sure,
$200.
please.
130.
You said what?
How much?
God, which one of the answer?
You said
How
what?
much?
130.
And you said what, Nadia?
$100.
And me said $100.
$100 is the answer.
How you got 130? Explain that.
Because it's $30 extra out of the $100.
No, but remember, you know,
Change.
Oh.
Change.
Yeah, I change.
at the same $100 you care about come spend it.
Exactly. It's like she takes the $100, but she return it and take
So the
the
only
goods
thing
and
the-
the money instead.
So
$30 what you
So
get.
basically,
Yeah.
she used that $100 and exchange it to get two
How
different
much
things:
those?
currency plus goods.
Yeah.
So it's $100.
Clever you are.
I am not clever. I'm just telling you from now.
I go
A
ahead.
rich man needs dash.
Oh, that. What she see it for my riddle?
Shush. A poor man needs dash. If you eat dash, you die.
What is that?
And when you die, you can take dash
No.
with you.
I know that.
You can
Not
take dash
here,
with
you watch my riddle, you participate in a riddle. You too, so you're supposed to know it.
Who tells me know this? Me never remember.
By the way, my
One word
riddle
fits
is
all
coming
4
back.
blank spaces. It's a 7-letter word. What is the answer?
A 7-letter word.
Mm-hmm.
7-letter word. I say a rich man need dash
Mm-hmm.
and a poor man need dash too.
Yes.
Or him don't need dash.
Him need a dash.
The two of them need a dash.
Yes.
And if you eat dash,
And if you eat the dash,
Yeah.
it's
dies.
it's
He
not
died.
that. It's not.
Yes.
It's not that dash.
however,
And when you die, you can take dash.
and you can take dash.
Which
It's not that. Birdie.
Oh God.
Who's the
Yeah,
letter
hold
word?
on there.
It's not.
You know what? I got you up your mind. Alright.
Oh God.
So she have
She cooked.
So when you eat, you got dead. But I can still bring you with you. When you dead. No.
Two
of them need I try my best not to go this way. You might check. Still reach them.
What's the answer?
Nothing.
Fine, you took forever.
We are talking about
Hey guys, I'm back and I'm here with Roxine. Now, you grew up with your mother. You have persons around you, right? Tell me of Jamaican proverbs that you have heard them use, or maybe you use, and tell me what you think it means.
But sweet nanny go over on your belly. You can't catch cock and catching shot.
One, and
Oh,
then
one.
tell me what it means. Or you
Okay.
can explain the two of those.
Please, so. If you can't catch cock and catching shot, that means if you're in trouble, yeah. If you're in trouble, and then can't catch you, then can smell it for you like your man, your woman, your pitney, and your mama, your pooker, right? And you go sweet nanny go run in belly. You know what that means properly yet with your hype up yourself and thing. Belly you go run something like so. Me not know.
Guys, now please comment down below and tell me what you think. What sweet nanny goat are going running belly? Comment below and tell me what you think. And I'll respond to your comments to tell you whether or not you're correct. Miss Wilson.
Hi.
No, we are
Can you
Jamaican.
hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
we're Jamaicans, right? Tell me one or two Jamaican proverbs that you know, and what do you think they mean?
Oh, chicken Mary, half the near.
Nice.
So that means that be careful, because sometimes when some behaviors, watch out for something unfortunate to happen. When something good is happening, maybe something bad
is
is going to
nice.
happen.
Oh, nice.
And puss and dog don't have the same love. Just talk about inequity and unevenness that people live by. So you can do something and get away with it, and I do it and I don't.
That's true.
I love Jamaican Proverbs.
I love them too. But see, I've been asking persons and they're like, I can't think of any. What then we say it on a daily basis and we just, yes. Thank you.
Take care.
So what are you doing about the cocoa for basket?
Go again?
Cocoa for basket.
What that mean?
Say no for rush things in a bowl. One at a time.
Me a Jamaican proverbs and all Jamaican proverbs and what it means.
Old Jamaican Proverbs. We water walk with pumpkin belly. You know that one there?
No.
Well, me nah tell you what it mean. Make your subscribers them come in with the answer for you. Alright?
No one than you. Please, Miss Roxanne, give me a all Jamaican proverbs and tell me what you think it means. Look at the face, look at the eyes, y'all. Look at the eyes.
How much of them in my head one time? One just stick now.
Ooh.
Alicia, things are doing. What is something that the one the man? You know the one of me I talk.
Me?
It's something that yeah, guys know something. Empty barrel makes the most noise. Stupid people always are talking now.
Boy. No one there. No one there. No one there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss Lorna, tell me a Jamaican old proverbs.
Ready?
Yes.
Alright. You have every day a bucket of go well, one day the bottom of go drop out.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, for that one, you're traveling. That's my interpretation now for all of them as I'm telling you.
Yeah.
You carry a bucket go well and you don't treat the bucket properly, you don't clean it, you don't wash it, you don't ensure that it's okay. So one day it'll become worn and let you down. So basically, somebody is treating you good all the time and you don't really return the favor.
Yeah.
Don't find the fault for my house. You meet a girl by the time you come. You meet a girl, you tell her you like her, you buy her some chocolates, wine, roses, give her money, and when Valentine's Day comes, you buy her a credit and she don't call you at all. Valentine's Day comes, you don't see her. You don't hear from her until after Valentine's. When you take a stop, somebody else gone out with her on Valentine's Day party and say hi.
stay tuned for part 2, in which I will be taking on some Jamaican proverbs and I will also be sharing their meaning. So I'll see you next time. Bye, Dislers.